Hello all you nature files, we're here in the lower Blue Mountains today at Glenbrook National Park. We're going to do the Tunnel View Lookout Trail. It's a short one, about 200 meters, so it's fairly easy. I was originally going to do the Portal Lookout Trail, but the trail is actually just a straight drive up to the lookout, so not much of a walk. Also, there's a police training exercise there going on at the moment, so it'd be a bit weird to film around there. Anyways, as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. This place definitely lives up to the name, Tunnel View. Definitely see the tunnel, but you also see so much more. It's a brilliant vista stretching all the way towards the city and then up the mountains that way. You'll have to check it out, obviously. Let's take a look. So that was Tunnel View Lookout. What did you think? Hope you go check it out for yourself and that inspired you to do so. Anyways, as I said, it was a fairly short one, super easy, flat walk. Be careful near the cliffs, as you saw that sign say. There is no fencing, so please don't be silly and get near the edges to take photos. It's not worth it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, you gorgeous people. Bye.